In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up single sign-on SSO between Thinkific and Circle.so. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly integrate these platforms to enhance user convenience and security. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. This is your starting point where you'll enable and configure the SSO settings needed for integration. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Here, you'll find the Integrations tab. Click on it, and then look for the SSO button single sign-on option. It's crucial to enable SSO here to begin the setup process. Once that's done, you'll need to copy your Circle.so SSO API key or secret. Ensure you handle this information carefully, as it's vital for the security and functionality of your integration. Next, switch over to Thinkific. Log into your Thinkific admin dashboard where we'll connect the SSO with Circle.so. Similar to Circle.so, head to the Settings tab. Under Integrations, you'll find the Single Sign-On SSO section. This is where you'll paste the SSO API key or secret that you just copied from Circle.so. After pasting the key, make sure to save your changes to ensure everything is correctly configured. With these settings in place, you need to map user fields between Thinkific and Circle.so. This ensures users can log into both platforms using the same credentials. Start by mapping the email field by selecting email on both sides. Then, proceed by mapping the name field to correspond with its counterpart. At times, additional fields might be required depending on your specific setup. If there are any other necessary fields, make sure you map them accordingly. After making all these mappings, remember to save the changes. Now it's time to test the SSO configuration to make sure everything works seamlessly. Click on the Test SSO button. This will help you verify that the connection between Thinkific and Circle.so is functioning as expected. It's important to conduct this test to catch any potential issues before going live. To wrap up the process, log out of your Thinkific account and try logging back in using the Sign In via Circle.so option. This step will help you confirm that users can now log in using their Circle.so credentials and are automatically directed into Thinkific. This seamless login experience is precisely what SSO aims to deliver, enhancing your users' convenience and security as they transition between platforms. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on setting up single sign-on between Thinkific and Circle.so. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on these steps.